He shouldn't have stopped.
I don't think they did.
Damn, this is fucking crazy. This is my road. It's a river right now.
Well, look at the car stuck in there.
Whoa, baby.
Girl's car stuck in there. Look. That girl's car stuck. It's all stuck. Stuck. Look right there.
Roll down the window. Tell him I'm putting him on YouTube. They shouldn't have done that with that pickup truck.
Uh-oh. Look at that police right there.
Mm-hmm.
What is it doing? Look right there. There's a camera right there. There's a camera right there.
I got it, baby. I got it. Mommy's getting all of it, okay?
Look at the police.
I'm so glad I didn't come this way. I knew it. Why would they stop? Just go. Why are you stopped?
So I don't splash a piss
No,
out of
I'm
him.
talking to this guy. Why is he stopped
He's been
there?
stuck there. He was there last time. It's probably flooded out. When you splash water up on your engine, it floods it out.
Oh, that's what almost happened to me when I
And it
turned
won't
onto
stop.
Hunt Highway. It was so deep it come up over. Look at that bunny. You see it?
He's still looking at
I know. He's like, Chad.
Whoa, look at that.
I know. This is craziness.
What's that thing? What's that guy?
This river up here is crazy, though. The one that you drive over top of, that's always dry.
Why did that car have his lights on?
Because he's not letting people go down the road, TJ.
Why?
Because
It's flooded. Little cars can't make it. We're in a big truck. That's the only reason we made it.
That police car stuck too. That police car stuck. Oh, that's not a police truck. That's a police truck. Look right there. Look right there.
Baby, I got it. I got it. Look, Mommy's getting them. See? I got them. Woo-woos.